In our brunette look, we've used a combination of different golds. I think it's a really interesting thing that we're doing with the mixes here, where we're taking a copper mixture and a violet mixture and working together with them. Because what we're doing there is we're taking that violet and removing any brassy overtones from the copper and almost creating a peachy kind of feel to the golden mixtures, which again is just a bit more contemporary than a classic gold. It gives a bit more warmth, it gives a bit more depth. It's definitely a more modern look. Take the first section across the back of the head, about 3 centimetres above the hairline. Make a weave across the top of this section, where each piece of the weave is a distinct lock of hair with even and wide spacing between them. Apply the first colour. This should be just 1 to 2 shades lighter than the natural colour to create a very natural sun-kissed effect. After closing the foil, lift the foil away to show the hair beneath. Now create a new weave, which lies in the negative of the first weave. This means that you are picking up the hair that lies directly between the hair coloured in the first foil. Place the foil approximately halfway down this weave. Apply colour 2, the Sable mix. Closing the foil in a triangular shape helps to keep it secure midway down the hair shaft. Lift this foil out of the way. Create a new weave in the hair below, weaving the negative of the second foil. This means that you are picking up the hair directly below your first foil. Place the foil along the final third of the hair length. Colour with colour 3, the peach mix. Again, close the foil in a triangular shape to secure it. Continue to work up the head, repeating this application technique, taking approximately 3 cm sections each time. Working at 3 cm intervals is a suggested guide. This can be varied according to the density and the texture of the hair. When you reach the hair above the ears, the sections will no longer be straight sections, but will wrap around the head to make horseshoe sections. As the sections become wider, work with manageable widths of hair to make your first weave. It's important that your first weave from each triple of colour fits easily inside the width of your foil. If you wish to achieve a more densely coloured result, make smaller sections so there is less natural hair remaining. The final section is the section around the parting of the hair. Here I leave a fine veil of hair uncoloured at the parting. This is to create separation of the coloured areas. However, if you wish to see a more densely coloured effect, you may prefer to place the colour immediately around the parting. When working the top sections, follow the pattern of the natural fall of the hair. To ensure a clean application, weave the hair close to the root for each section and maintain a strong tension on the hair as you position the foil and apply the colour. As each weave contains large pieces of hair, when you apply the second and third foils of each triple, I try to blend the application of the colour into the natural hair above using a gentle sweeping motion above the main application area. This stops there being any obvious bands of colour in the final result. The positioning of foils 2 and 3 of each triple has a strong influence on the final result. If these foils are placed higher on the hair shaft, we see a lighter result as more hair is lightened. If they are placed lower, we see a darker overall effect because less hair is lightened.